If you have a bring your own device policy in your company, and your users have their own Android devices, you'll want to separate the work and private data, creating two separate folders, by enrolling these devices in what is called Work Profile Mode. To enroll a device in Work Profile Mode, start by clicking on Enroll Device, select Android, and choose Work Profile. Enter the intended device user's email address, then choose a delivery method for the enrollment invitation, either by SMS or email, and click Next. Proceed by completing the listed actions to enroll the device. One optional enrollment method can be initiated by navigating to Users. Then select the user, click on Enrollment, and select Create Enrollment Credentials. On a device you'd like to enroll, go to online.mirador.com/enroll now and enter the username and password. Click on Enroll Device, Install Now, Continue, and Allow. Now the device is connected to Mirador. Next, you will receive a work profile creation request. Click on OK to accept the request and proceed. A managed Google Play account is created, which will enable application deployment to the device's work folder via Mirador. You may need to confirm your PIN code at this point. The device is now enrolled in Work Profile Mode. Next, you will receive a notification and should proceed accordingly in uninstalling the Mirador client app from the device's private folder. Navigate to the Devices page in Mirador, and you will see your newly enrolled device has been assigned the tag Profile Owner. On the device end, you can see that there are now two separate folders, Personal and Work. As you can see, there are already some pre-installed applications.